Email marketing tutorial monday.com. So if you want to do email marketing on monday.com, you need to follow these steps and you'll be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is you have to log into monday.com, and once when you're logged in, you'll be redirected to this home page. Now what do you need to do from here? You need to go here, and then you need to go here on new board, start with the template, and then you need to write email marketing here, and here you go. You have this one, and this is the best one you can use for email marketing. You can click here and view this template right here. It integrates with all the famous applications that you use, your Gmail, Zoom, Google Drive, Trello as well, and Stack. Each and every, I would say, in-use application can be integrated with it. So it's very user-friendly, I can say that. And you can see you can do the best email campaigns here, right here. So after going through the screenshot, you can just click on use template, and monday.com will do an amazing job and make this template for you. Here you go. The email template has been made ready for you, and you can see how beautifully designed it is. There's this board created for you right here, and there are two subboards that you can work on. First is the campaign idea, because it's kind of obvious that if you're doing an email marketing project, you'll definitely need a campaign to do the marketing. Without a campaign, the marketing is useless. So, uh, monday.com will help you deciding a campaign, what your campaign is going to be, and uh, the request and the campaign ideas that are approved or that are still under discussion. You can just change it, and you can adjust it as you want. Like if some ideas are declined, you can just put them here under the decline folder, and if some campaign ideas are approved, you can put them right here, and you can put the request right here. If you want to request an idea, a campaign idea for an email marketing, you can put it right here, and you can put your name requested by, or if somebody else has requested this, you can just put their name here and the date and priority. What's the priority of this campaign? Like, do you find it very useful? Then it will be a high prioritized idea, and what will be the goal of this idea and the audience, and all that. So here's the request status as well. If your team accepts it, then we're going to click approve, and it's going to be moved here into the yes, and automation is already there, and they have already approved it right here. Now, if we want to change it, if we want to put it back, we're going to do reviewing, and it will be through automation sent back to this reviewing folder that we have. But if we don't have a reviewing folder, we can just go and decline it, and it will be sent to decline. Here you go. So this is how you do email marketing and campaigning on monday.com. So I hope you found this video informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.